So both ladies missing the qualifying standard, but walking away with personal best.
Justin Webb of Calabar is in lane 8. In lane 7 here for the boys under 2800 is Anthony Dillon of Port Antonio High. In lane 6, Joel Morgan from Edwin Allen, the Class 1 champion and the bronze medalist in the under 20 section at the Carifta Games.
Only one in the field with the qualifying standard, running better than 1 minute 50 this season.
His personal best, 149.93. Rashid Price of JC in lane 5. In lane 4, 5th in Class 1 this year at Champs, Tywin Sterling of William Knibb Memorial.
Decorated at Class 2, double champion, steps up with the big boys.
Lane number 3 from HSJ Track Club, Shavan Kenyon. Lane 2 from Edwin Allen, we've got Malik Anderson.
Just there, right there, 150.15, his personal best this season. So knocking at the door to sub 150.
And in lane 1, rounding out the lineup from Alphonsus Davis, Raheem Palmer.
Yeah, to get to that 150, they'll have to be quick over 400 meters. Around about 56 seconds will do it.
Sent about their business now for the under 20 boys 800 meter final. Joel Morgan of Edwin Allen, the favorite here as they head down the backstretch. Tywin Sterling of William Knibb is right up there with them as well. So too Shavan Kenyon of HSJ Track Club, and out front at the moment Joel Morgan from Tywin Sterling, and then creeping up there Justin Webb of Calabar as they work their way off the top bender for the first time. Joel Morgan from Tywin Sterling, and from Calabar Justin Webb.
Yeah, they can't allow for Morgan to dictate the pace because he knows how to kick. They understand what the assignment is and they come up to the bell lap just about 55 seconds, so they are on sub 150 pace, Spencer.
Very nippy for the first 400, 155 or 55 plus. Joel Morgan still in the ascendancy. Tywin Sterling of William Knibb is holding down second at the moment. Rashid Price of Jamaica College takes closer orders dangerously, wants to go by Justin Webb of Calabar. Webb holds stubbornly on to third place at the moment. They leave the 200 meter marker. Joel Morgan of Edwin Allen steps up the tempo now. Tywin Sterling goes in serious pursuit. So too Rashid Price of Jamaica College, and Justin Webb of Calabar trying to get closer as well. They're all chasing at the moment and looking at Joel Morgan of Edwin Allen, extending his advantage and going away in a facile manner to victory in the under 20 boys. 800 meters ahead of Tywin Sterling. 151.38 the flash time for Joel Morgan. Officially it's 151.53. Tywin Sterling second, 153.01. Price gets third, 153.52.
Morgan, the fastest in the field, the was the only one with the qualifying standard. He was chasing a time, doing service to the others, helping to pull them along, but it just wasn't fast enough. Fast, yes, for the time of the season, but I'm sure he's looking to improve on his 1 minute 49 second run earlier this year. And Sterling of William Knibb gets second, and Rashid Price of Jamaica College rounds out the top three. But it's all about Joel Morgan. Strong, tall, powerful athlete. Just a cut above the rest here.
Yeah, the difficulty at this stage of the race, the wind in the National Stadium, coming in the home stretch after running a lap and a half, or a lap and 3/4, to come home is tough. They had good pace for the first 400 meters, but finishes 151.53.
And finishes ahead of Tywin Sterling, who did 153.01, and Rashid Price 153.52 seconds. Bringing to a closure the boys under 20 800 meter contest.
It's a personal best for the